What's up, love bugs, and welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I am Ashley, and today we'll be installing, styling, and slaying this beautiful wig. No lace, no drama, super easy, beginner friendly. This is actually a V-part wig. So we are exposing my natural hair today, and let me show you the outro and the outcome. But the way I actually wear it was a ponytail. So Instagram definitely saw it first. Instagram typically almost always sees it first. You guys know a good ponytail is all the rage and trend this year. Tell me that's not fire. And the fact that this is a V-part wig, they included this gorgeous rhinestone headband in my package, so I went ahead and tried it out. But as you guys can see, it's a wig, it's a V-part wig, no lace. This is my natural hair. Of course, I messed it up with the headband, but I want you guys to see what we're doing today. We're doing a V-part wig. It's gonna lay super flat, and we're gonna be able to wear it down or in a ponytail. So this is what it looks like in a ponytail without the headband, and then this is what it looks like down. This is a very quick and easy install, and as you guys can see, big forehead and all, we're able to wear her down. And in a ponytail, the ponytail gives the whole Instagram fashion girl style with the nice little sleek ponytail, and then down gives like whatever you want it to give, everything and more. It almost gives like sew in because you see the natural hair texture. Anyways, I don't want to talk and ramble too much. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Jumping right into it, we're going to use this edge control from Bedeck Beauty to go ahead and swoop some baby hair. I had a different idea in my head of how this tutorial was going to go, so I started off with the baby hair. Now I already had on makeup and another wig, so excuse the craziness. The hair is absolutely dirty. A wig was bonded down. As you guys can see, there's makeup missing on my forehead, but you're going to see in the end, and I'm sure you already seen in the intro, where you're going to see a huge transformation and how I get it back looking right. Now, my hairline has taken a hit. I've kind of left my hair alone since I had the Rona back in August. I've just been so busy trying to start a business, recovering from that, taking care of kids and trying to get out content and just rebrand myself a little bit, that I've just literally kept my hair under a wig cap and barely done anything. And my hairline shows the why that's not a good idea. So you'll see in 2022, I'm definitely going to be stepping up the natural hair care, possibly bringing you guys a natural hair care line. We'll see about that. I went ahead and fixed the makeup on my face, braided my hair back into two and pinned it up in the back, and also sectioned out what hair is going to be leave out for the V-part wig. Now that you put it on, you can see this one fits like a glove. When you put it on, the V-part lays exactly where it's going to go. You don't have to like force it or move it. This one fits my head super snug. As far as V-part and U-part wigs, sometimes it's a little bit scary because if the wig fits big, because it's not bonded down, it can be very, very uncomfortable and nerve-wracking, because it's like almost like you feel like if the wind blows or if you move too hard or anything can happen and it'll fly off. But in this case, this one fits super snug, which made me super happy. I went ahead and made a center part, and then I'm going in with the flat iron to just go and make the hair straight. Now this does feel a little bit cringy, but what I say is that it's okay to straighten your hair every now and again. Just make sure you follow up with a deep conditioning session the next time you wash your hair. Also, don't do too many heat passes. So like when you style your hair, go ahead and straighten it and get it as straight as you can, and don't go back in daily to re-straighten it. If you have to do that, then maybe you should consider a different style or trying to find heatless options. I love the way my hair blended with this wig. Now obviously this is a wavy texture, and I straightened my hair to straight, so you can see where it's wavy versus straight. But as far as the texture and how the ends of my hair look, it definitely blended awesome. Now when I first straightened it, it looked super silky and nice. I'm not sure if it was the got to be glued or just my natural hair, but you'll see that like over time it'll start to puff up just a little bit and look a little bit more coarse in the root. And that's just because I'm not heat training my hair, and I also don't chemically process my hair, so it just is very much easier to revert. Now if I start back going to the salon and like getting my hair straightened every 2 weeks like I used to do, or even doing it myself, it would look a lot more silky straight. But I just don't recommend straightening out overly or doing too much. I tried something different and sent the hair behind my ears. This is my favorite thing, to like tuck the hair behind my ears. I've never tried this with a V-part wig, but this is a winner. I always feel like I want to love the V-part and U-part craze because it gives sew-in vibes without the commitment. I'm scared to get a sew-in because once it's sewed in, like, you have to keep it, you know, for at least a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even like 4, 5, 6 weeks. And I'm very much afraid of having to put too much heat in my hair. But as you guys can see, it looks good down as well as in a ponytail. Okay guys, so we are done with this look. This is actually a V-part wig and I made it look like a ponytail. You guys know, all over social media, the ponytail is like the thing when you don't want to wear a wig or a weave or your natural hair, especially if you're going out for the weekend, quick little getaway. Go to the salon and get a ponytail. Now, I haven't done this style and I haven't shown this style because you guys know I've got a big forehead, so I be kind of like, it's not for me. Every style isn't for everybody, so I've been just a little bit hesitant to try this style. I did use a little bit of Got To Be Glued spray on the base of the head for a little bit of hold. Not sure if there is something better I can use, but I kind of felt like a wax was going to weigh it down. And you guys can see how flat it lays, and it is a V-part wig as I mentioned. So you guys know I do wig sales. I'm definitely going to keep this wig just because I know I'll be able to put this on when I want that ponytail style without having to go through all the steps of like getting my hair flat, putting it in a ponytail, wrapping a piece of hair or a ponytail accessory to it. A V-part wig like this works perfect to get the look that I'm going for. I could switch it and I could put the part on the side and like a deep side part. I think that would be really cute. Let me know what you guys think. I mentioned already that this one came from Hurela, and I think I showed you the packaging already. Inside the packaging was one of these cute little rhinestone headbands. I feel like I have so many of those, so that one is getting added to the collection. And then like this nice little mesh bag with some free goodies in it. Inside you have your wig caps. You also have a hair scarf. And then you also have a pair of these lashes, and these have become my favorite. I went through 2 pairs this week because I keep forgetting to take them off and put them at my sink. So they end up all around the house, in the carpet, in the kids' play stuff. Probably wouldn't wear this headband with this per se, but it is a vibe. Like, you can definitely do it. Oh, that's actually pretty cute. Wow, okay. I think we're on to something. Let's get an Instagram pic. 10 out of 10 chef's kiss. I'm so proud of myself for stepping out of my comfort zone and trying something different, completely different for me. Even though this is something that is like not new to the internet, it's just completely different for me and I am loving it. So you might see more styles like this for me. I just had an extensive photo session. I got tons of boomerangs and stuff like that to go up on the day that I actually post this wig. Go ahead and follow me on social media. I'm Ashley Bedeck everywhere if you aren't already. Also check the description box to find lists and links of everything I used in this video. So that will definitely be helpful if you have any questions. Also comment below and let me know what other styles you would like to see from me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!